Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Kathan sora kadai kajaka ka bakring bhai kinong wan jngok kai prathei ha kinu kiliang. Bon ki seng jngok kai prathei ki jusngo tunat ban pelong tamasa kat kum ki jingdon kam ka wei na ki seng ki kinhon samla na mau mit hit sora ka Shangkai online trekking adventure kala pelong ye ka jingya ikjan na ka shnong mau mit hit bat hiar ki mau ya ikjat sheshnong dingsong wa sora poi sheshnong nong trau bat penkod ha sora rim. Ya kata ke jingya kejat kabah nyo kilometer la wan pli da UMLE ke sora uba Kevin William ngam ha ke jingya don lang u BADO ba AK Khongsdam la sunran lang u president ke Shangkai online trekking adventure usamla pentingan lang Khongsin ki bala shakhot sngoba ki kentup yo uba Alfon Bird Carson Tio General Secretary ke Hill Farmer Union ki nongkit kamshnong ke wa sora ding song bat nong trau.
Bat katim ko jungi ka deka Shangkai. O ngi kwa ngi ai kublai phi ba phi lawan ya simbanta lang ka deka por. Ngi ai ka jing thumu ka jungi ka long bang idan ka wei ka online platform ha ka ba ngi kwa ban reach out se kini potential remote areas ki bat don ha kini ki thain ki jungi bat se ki baro jong ka megalaya ha ka bin ai training ye ki guide bangila ban promote iki tourist se kini ki jaka like na ki wei ki main tourist. Ta ka wei ka ba ngi kwa ka long bang Hakani kapor kumbang ilale kadi kadi second round. Dah hangning isim ki guide hangning yadan hadu khat ar khat laingot ki guide ki bana kini ki bakwa balang ki guide. Teman ta ki handle yafi kin yalam yafi nang ni sethi. Bat kini ki guide kin lakum hands on training bani kwa eki begini yo ya ka training ka ba first hand. Teng agar part ifi ba hakano ba fisem jing ya pila ban ya kendo ki guide ki jongi. Ta ka tim ka jongi ka jingmot ka jongi ka long ba kadon kat online platform ha ka baki guide kila ban register ki homestay tata ki tourist spot nang ta ki cap lani ki tourist cap ki bangi ngi kwa ban promote iki local te hakni ngidang don ha ka proses bang ila ban penya sakmat iri kam bat kadang don ha proses te kadang don sibun ki kam ki bangin le bat ngai ku blai kini ki chimges ki jong ba in ai kendiat ki kentian ngim judo jeng
kan pedang subhai pi kinong wan yat kai but pidon la ke jong jing thmu ke jong pi intention ke jong pi ko pi wan second ke trekking hoi kini ke sngi ngi abun kam te bro si kata man lagi sngi long tray ngi abun kam ke jing tray but kidan sibun ki stress ki tension but kene ke dai ke sngi ke ba pi pin ino pin berat nai kita ban pen pengat jabing yelade hoi kidan let's say bakwa ya kaban one explore ya kene ke jaka ban yoi ya ke jaka jinglong ke jong ke jaka let's say dan bakwa ban tes ya kamet ke jong pi katno kadang biang ne dan na kamta jong ka ke health benefits na bana ka koit ke khiah bat kum ta ter la ke jong ke jing thmu ke jing angnot ke jong pi bat kermen ba leng ba jong de program pinyo ya kita baro hinmen jonga ibasa asor ikli ya taiwe hinmen jonga ibasa hasinong nong kendong te iong namar ba ilai check up hasilong te ikli pidon sini ne te ngakan masa kata tin ke jubab ba hinmen jonga iong hoj hinin ngalatit arkilo bat kadon haying bat kata kadai ka village version mo bakinong kendong ki ai ke jubab kim jutip ya kata ke sini namar ba kas app jong ki ke jaw man kas ngi baki trai ki kita akilat kiwan bat kilai sisiana sibon ki jeng pang ki jeng sitam bat bakani ka jeng lait ke jong piru pin jaw kas app bat kan yarap ban ai pi ke jeng ko jeng khiah kan pen klain je ki tor ke jong pi kolong snam jong pi bat pinyo ya ke jingko jing khiah lang ba jong ganika ke trekking te tang kawai ke banga don ya ke ban kerpat ya pi namar ba pi wan ha ke sin ban kong chen ke jaka te pio i ya ke jaka shakiwai ke jaka ke long kumno bat hang ne ka long kumno te kawai ke bangi kerpat na pi ka long ba pin i ya kita ke feedback ke jong pi kumno bangila ya ke ban improve kumno ngila ya ke ban kentiu ke ne ke jaka kanang bang ne ke jaka kan long ka kawai na kita ke jaka ke baki nong jong okai pathai kinwan baki terkas kinwan
Nakabenta banyak kun ialah kahok namar kajing kerdo kam kajing kerdo jam. Kani ka baban kia hadu kata habang iyo i kum usamla uba pek ya ka baha kamiat jong kinong song senong pat kamtam nakabenta ki kena samla. Iba amit iba pentingan iba syarai kilewan banyak kendo kerpang yang hapok office trikam jonga. Nah itu iki bang adi usamla ubaju imja na gani kakam. Berkapor ka bang pulut por mentala khalai snem kadai baki tores. Tenrei ka bang asngosi kalong. Ba hadu mentang yo i ka jingkiu ka jongkin nong wan jingok kai perthai na Assam na Assam na West Bengal na Delhi na Bangalore bakum tater. Henrei nyim padan ha ka position bangila ban ai ka jing syakri ki kena samla ke jongi ki bana kala ka jela ka jongi ngalapen snotho bhai ki bahado menta nganut ban kubur bahan 20% ki nongnya kali ki bawan kit ki tourist na po Assam ki dei ki driver ki bawan ki badai nakawai pat kajat benriu lani ki tourist cap ki bawan na po Assam ngapen slor ye kini ki samla namar ngasmo komen ba dang men hakane hagato ko program hapola jam ngala ai jengmot yaki bangi day ban use ya ka online platform nakabenta bangila ban ai ka jing syakri ka jing shngan but ka security yaki brio ki bon ka shene shapo shalong shene shapo Meghalaya ngadai way na ki samla ubang jiyo jing shania haki babon haki social media ki tores ki bawan shene ki jutho ki comments jonki ban ong balara village shalong yakendo yu alfan yakendo yu ba alfan namar udai unong yalam ubastat unong yalam uba tiplot iki jaka bat udai unong yalam uba ngila ban ai ke jingshania ngakwa ya kaban pencelor ye ki samla ke jongiru bakani ka platform ngakwa ban pentipru hakani kapor ya ima given bangi ba naka group jong ki Shangkai mentai ki lapen kre ya ka way ka website ka bangin supply online kini ki samla ki lawan ye kendo yanga bakile to baki don kam pisa namar ban haban penbet penbiang nakabenta kani ka website ka bakin supply pa ba ngasno bay ba given indai ubrio ubadai ban yarap ikini ki samla nakabenta ban penbet penbiang ya kani ka website.
We participating in this event comprises not only from within our state, but I'm very happy to be informed that there'll be trekkers from outside the state too. So I, on behalf of the people of Sara constituency, and like what the chairperson of this event has said, we welcome all the trekkers to this event. And as we all know, trekking really helps in building our core, our endurance, and most importantly, it helps in improving our overall strength. While trekking, we all do notice that it's not like walking on the road, but we'll end up constantly navigating the terrain, making micro adjustments every second, every minute, and we'll also notice that during trekking, no two steps are the same. So therefore, I would not like to prolong my speech, since I could see that all the trekkers who want to participate in this event are eagerly waiting for the trekking to start. So I would like to wish you all the best, and I can assure you that you really enjoy the scenic beauty of this area and the cordial attitude of our people along the route that you'll pass through, I think so, through 4 villages along the trekking route. Tinagalang le jonga ngani kapor bomenta hoy nga shimene galat banai kublei kerpang ya baro ki bane shimbenta hakani ka trekking event angets kem managalyang ga jongpi on a plak pendep ya ka trekking shibet pinda enjoy shisha ya ga jingya lenti ga jongpi pinya shem shisha ya ga memoriang ga jongi shagane ga thain kepada internet da ishongkun da shisha bar ga ju opor ka jinglong friendly lani ka jinglong ye jan lani ka jinglong prolog jong kini ki brio na kini ki thain ki jongi dan nagalang ga jonga am ko shur bon kentin sai sien nga ai kublei kerpang ya
Good morning. Can you tell us a little bit your experience here in Shillong?
Yeah, sure. My name is Dr. Reza Borhani, and I feel very privileged to be here today, actually. As you can see, the view here, it's a multi-million-dollar view, very rare to find outside. And I think the people that actually live here are too desensitized to the beauty, the natural beauty that exists in Chirapanji Sora area. The Dinsang is my first time that I've been here. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I want to thank the Shangkai group that have put together this trekking. I personally, I'm going to come back for this. I've sent my son with this for the first time. And I must say congratulations to the group for doing such a wonderful job, because especially in today's society, we need more people involved in things that are related to nature, right? Because everybody's so tied up in cement houses and in cities and in technology. I think that's just kind of, we are getting away from what we were born to be with nature, and this is a fantastic way to do it. And from what I've seen so far, the way the organizers are doing this, I think they're on the right path, and this has potential not just for local tourism or even India. It has an international potential to bring in a lot of people, and I would love to see some health resorts set up here in this beautiful region and introduce people to the beauty of Sora. It's just amazing, and I want to thank you, all the organizers, and I want to thank the tribal people here. I'd like to thank the kingdom, the government, for putting such an initiative together. I really hope that we see more of this, and I think it's also a great opportunity to teach the tourists that come to see how, by example, how we can keep this place free from rubbish and from all those things that pollute and turn people away. So I wish them all the luck, and I think that they're absolutely on the right track, and I'll be happy to help in any way that I can in my capacity as a doctor who sets up health resorts around the world. Thank you so much.